Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage your map, add the rooms, name rooms and the other things in the ROBOROCK Q5 PRO robot vacuum. So as you can see, there we have the application, we have the map. If you want to customize it, click on this small icon. And now we have a few options to edit. We can make the backup, the rest or delete. If you want to edit rooms, click on this button. Now we can merge, divide or rename. So if you want to create the two rooms from the single one, just click on the divide. Now you can set the line, then accept it. As you can see, now we have two rooms. We can set up the different settings for each room for the single room. If you want to change the name, click on the name, tap on the room and set the living room, for example. If you want to merge the rooms, just tap on the merge, select two rooms that you want to merge and click on the accept icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.